Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is inspired by the nature, so we will be making flowers. I'll be using ceramic clay in this and give the link in description. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the product comes in the form of powder. So we will be making the clay first. The first step is to pour the powder in any bowl, then mix some glue. Before mixing, make sure you put some coconut oil on your hands. Keep mixing it until it seems like a form of clay. So I have done that before on a wooden panel, but this is my first time trying it on a canvas. Again, while making this, make sure you have enough oil on your fingers. I will be doing this same thing in the whole process of making a rose. Make sure you put some Fevicol or any other glue on the canvas before sticking the petal to it. I will be repeating this process again and again until I get a rose. To smooth the surface of a clay, you can also use water. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you find this helpful. This is the part 1. I'll be uploading part 2 when I color it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.